bunch of shit.
Yeah! Good thing you stopped recording. What's up?
Don't look at the part.
Which one you want to try first? Yeah, let's try the strawberry one. I feel like because it's freshest right now, I don't want it to be hot.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm gonna get a fourth.
Yeah, me too.
Bet.
How much is that? That's not bad. If you were gonna buy a $50 Hennessy thing.
I'll still buy it. I gotta figure out how much it is.
Come on. Yo, how much is this?
Light up, like 15, right?
Yo, let's get it.
You can. Oh, I'm just farting. You're literally farting at me. That's a lot.
Ooh, that was pretty smooth. What sleeves are these?
This card. I got these two cards from the same box.
Recent pickups. Lots of Cinestill 400D film. And record store pickups. Got Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. And the Rush Hour soundtrack. Too Fast, Too Furious soundtrack. So, and original. So, slowly getting all the Fast and Furious soundtracks on vinyl.
You're not segregated by your style.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, there's no.
Get rid of the candles with your hands. Go, Daddy. Go, 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 go.
Alright guys, so just got this package straight from Japan. It's a wheel I've had back in 2016 when they were super cheap, and I had to rebuild them. Oh, that gave it away. It's a 3-piece, but I didn't feel like it, so I ended up selling them to my good friend Justin. And if you've watched the videos, you most likely know where this is heading. I plan to get a full set of these, but I could only afford a pair now, and I know it's a loved and hated wheel, but I had to get them back in the collection. For the IS300, it is Blitz so 30. Wow. Finally, I can have my own. Justin's a great friend and let me borrow his for a long time. And now me, Jarrell, and Justin can finally all match. This is also a sign that Michael, you're next. You need these, so we could have these as a team wheel. These are 17x9 plus 38, which I plan on rebuilding to fronts for the IS. 17x9 plus 0, or just 0 offset. Pretty good condition. I don't want to tell how much I got them for, but in the market it's not as bad. But for now, I was thinking of taking off the face and polishing the lips, but it looks way better in person, so I don't know. I have some tires already, so gonna throw some tires on and then get them mounted as soon as I can. Wow. Here is the second wheel. Got some cool TE looking blue caps. Lucky I have these. If you know, these caps are like $500 for some reason, but not bad. Not bad. So this is it. This is it. Love them or hate them. The hype definitely took over. But as I said, I've had these since 2016. Sold them to Justin. Justin rebuilt them, put them on the MR2, and sold them to fund his wedding. And now I finally have my own pair 6 years later that I paid 3 times more than I did 6 years ago.